Hey there, snack mix enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take your snacking game to the next level with 11 creative ways to choose healthy and flavorful combinations for your snack mixes. If you're ready to elevate your snacking experience, let's dive in. Creative combination number 1. Sweet and salty bliss. Mix together pretzels, dried cranberries, dark chocolate chunks, and roasted almonds for the perfect balance of sweet and salty flavors. Creative combination number 2. Mediterranean delight. Combine whole grain pita chips, roasted chickpeas, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, and cherry tomatoes for a Mediterranean-inspired snack mix that's bursting with flavors. Creative combination number 3. Tropical paradise. Blend together banana chips, dried pineapple, coconut flakes, and macadamia nuts for a taste of the tropics in every bite. Creative combination number 4. Spicy sensation. Mix together wasabi peas, spicy roasted chickpeas, chili lime cashews, and sesame sticks for a snack mix with a kick. Creative combination number 5. Nut butter lover's dream. Combine mini rice cakes, pretzel sticks, dried apple slices, and a drizzle of your favorite nut butter for a satisfying and protein-packed snack mix. Creative combination number 6. Fiesta. Mix together corn tortilla chips, black beans, salsa, shredded cheese, and a sprinkle of cilantro for a fiesta-inspired snack mix that's full of zesty flavors. Creative combination number 7. Energy boost. Blend together almonds, pumpkin seeds, goji berries, and dark chocolate-covered espresso beans for a snack mix that will give you a natural energy boost. Creative combination number 8. Greek goddess. Combine cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil for a refreshing and Mediterranean-inspired snack mix. Creative combination number 9. Trailblazer. Mix together whole grain cereal, dried cranberries, sunflower seeds, and yogurt-covered raisins for a classic and nutritious trail mix. Creative combination number 10. Asian fusion. Blend together sesame sticks, wasabi almonds, dried edamame, and crispy rice noodles for an Asian-inspired snack mix with a delightful crunch. Creative combination number 11. Cheesy goodness. Combine whole grain crackers, cheddar cheese cubes, pretzel balls, and air-popped popcorn for a cheesy and satisfying snack mix. And there you have it. 11 creative ways to choose healthy and flavorful combinations for your snack mixes. Get creative, experiment with different ingredients, and make your snacking experience truly enjoyable. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more snack mix mastery ideas. Happy snacking!